Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I finally received my order from Morphe today. It's been 10 days, I believe, since the vault launched, and I ordered within a few minutes of it launching on their website. I was on precisely when it went live. I was in line for a few moments, and then I placed my order. And I think the reason that it took so long to get to me is because I also ordered their setting mist and a lipstick, but I'm not sure. That's a really long time to wait for shipping. And when I ordered, I had put in code JACATTACK, Jaclyn Hill's code, and I forgot to hit apply. And then I just hit, submit my order. So I didn't get the, $7 off or whatever. This is the vault. She's really beautiful. I don't know if I can show you any of the details. It's hard to record white and silver especially, but there are just little bursts of color from each of the stories that go along with each of the palettes. It did come wrapped up in bubble wrap, but I already removed that bubble wrap so I could check the palettes, make sure nothing was broken. I haven't swatched these ones. I haven't done anything with these yet. I've just taken them out, looked at them, and shut them again. There has been a lot of controversy surrounding the vault. Morphe claimed that they destroyed all of the originals because they were pressed incorrectly and were not pigmented and did not blend well when they sent it out with PR. And people are still having that issue as I scroll through comments on Twitter and on Instagram. People are still having the same issue with it not being pigmented, it not blending well, it being chunky or chalky, which is not what I expect to get from Morphe. Most of their shadows are pressed pretty firmly, so there isn't a lot of kick up in my experience. I have several of their palettes. I love the original Jaclyn Hill palette. I have used it more than any other palette in my collection. I love how creamy and blendable all of those shadows are. I am expecting the same thing from the vault, and if it doesn't meet those expectations, I'm going to be very disappointed. So, I think for this first video, I just want to do swatches, and then I'll do some tutorials with them separately. We have two displays of them at Ulta. We never received the Armed and Gorgeous palette, so I haven't had a chance to put my fingers in that one, but the other three have been out as testers, and I'm worried about Dark Magic and Bling Boss. Some of the ones that I was swatching at Ulta were very chunky. So I'm hoping that because I ordered it directly from Morphe that there won't be an issue because it came directly from Morphe, but I'm not sure. We'll wait and see. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel already, I would appreciate it if you would do so. Your support means everything to me. Let's get into it. So the vault box looks like this. It's just classy white and silver with the same burst of color. They're hard to pull out this way. Getting a grip on them that way because they're so tightly packed in here. So there is a ribbon installed so you can just kind of pull them out so you can get a better hold on them. Just like that. These palettes are $15 individually. You can get them on Morphe's site and you can use affiliate codes, or you can get them at Ulta and use your points and gain points from them. There's always a plastic cover, and when you open them up, you get a mirror. And these are the eyeshadow shades. There are 10 per palette. The Dark Magic palette has 6.5 mattes and 3.5 shimmers. One of them is kind of matte, but also infused with glitter. Jaclyn says that makes it so it blends better. We shall see. We shall see. We shall see. Next is the Armed and Gorgeous palette. It has yellow dots, kind of mustard colored dots on the outer packaging, and the shades look like this. 6 mattes and 4 shimmers. Bling Boss, I did get a chance to play with this palette on my friend Stephanie. Hey Steph. She watches my videos. She's going to Comic-Con as Elsa, and so she wanted me to show her how to do some makeup. So she bought this palette from Ulta, and then we hung out and I created a beautiful makeup look on her. I'll post a picture here. Actually, I'll ask her if that's okay, and then I'll post a picture here. It's gonna be okay because she wants to be on my channel. But anyway, Bling Boss. It has purple dots on it to signify that it is the purple themed palette. And it looks like this. There are 4 mattes and 6 shimmers in this one, so more shimmers than mattes than the first 2. And the last is the Ring the Alarm palette. This has kind of bronzy red dots on it to signify that it's the fiery palette. I love bright, orangey, fiery golds, so I think I'm gonna get a lot of use out of this palette. And these are the shades. 5 mattes, 5 shimmers. And that is the order in which I'm going to swatch the palettes for you. So it's going to go Dark Magic first, Armed and Gorgeous, Bling Boss, and Ring the Alarm. I love the packaging. I think it's so beautiful. I've got some makeup wipes here so I can wipe off my fingers because I only have 5 of them. Oh yeah, new hair, by the way. I don't think you guys have seen a video of me with this hair yet. I love it. Here is the Dark Magic eyeshadow palette. Poof. Power Cut. Shh. Trickery. And Diversion. Poof. Power Cut. Shh. Trickery. Ugh. And Diversion. Okay. Clean fingers. Potion. Busted. Inside Job. Mojo. Well, that's really soft. Really. Oh! And Temptress on the thumb. Potion. Busted. Inside Job. Mojo. And Temptress. So far, so good. Obviously blending is going to be different than swatches, but these are the swatches that I would expect from Morphe. I'm using my window as a viewfinder, so if you see me looking behind you, it's because I'm looking at to see if I'm actually in view here. I think I'm allergic to something in this palette. I'm already... Can you see the redness right there? Because I've swatched them at work and got really itchy. It's not the makeup wipe. The makeup wipes are fine. I've used them many, many times. I don't want to be allergic to this. I've had bad eye reactions to things, and I don't want to do that again. We're going to move into the Ring the Alarm eyeshadow palette. On the thumb, we've got Lolly, Rush, On Camera, Boom, and Alert. Whoa, Lolly's so pretty. It's like a perfect match to one of my favorite lip glosses. Here's Lolly. It's pink with a gold shift. Very beautiful. Rush. On Camera. Boom. And Alert. Bomb Ass. Siren. Mugshot. Framed. And Secret. Bomb Ass. Siren. Mugshots. Framed. And Secret. Lots and lots of mattes in this one, which is good for building up transition shades. Again, I think they're pretty good. Let's see. we'll see how they blend out. That's gonna be the most important thing here. Here's Bling Boss. Bling Bling, Hush Hush, Gem, Pizzazz, and Mystic. Bling Bling, Hush Hush, Gem, Pizzazz, and Mystic. Sparks, Glitz and Glam, Rockstar, Ballsy, and Berry Treasure. It looks like an oil slick on my finger. Whoa! Sparks, Glitz and Glam, Rockstar, Ballsy, and Berry Treasure. Last up, we have Armed and Gorgeous. Lots of yellows and browns and golds. Is that Frank? We have a neighborhood cat whose name is Frank, and he is very friendly and vocal, very vocal. VIP, Access, Gilt, G-I-L-T, Gilt Trip, Coin, and Agent. VIP, Access, Gilt Trip, Coin, and Agent. Whoa. Let's see if a little worried about that one. Okay. Top Secret, Smooth Criminal, Secure, Prowl, and Classified. Top Secret, Smooth Criminal, Secure, Prowl, and Classified. That's all of them. So far, they seem pretty consistent with the Jaclyn Hill palette. My batch, at least. I'm not sure what other batches would have turned out like. Some videos of me using them will be forthcoming, so make sure you're subscribed to my channel before you go. If you have it and you've used it, let me down below what you think. Let me down below. Let me know down below what you think, how your experience has been with them. If you haven't subscribed already, I would appreciate it if you did so. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!